The Meenakshi temple is located in. Answer is Madurai. Sanchi Stupa was built by. Answer is Ashoka. The India Gate is located in which city? Answer is New Delhi. The Lotus Temple is located in which city? Correct answer is New Delhi. Rani Ki Vav, Queen's Stepwell, located in which state? Answer is Gujarat.